If the grocery stores shut down tomorrow, which peanut butter could still feed your kids 10 years from now? Hey, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator illuminator. I make shelf-stable meals, snacks, lazy cooking hacks that'll save you time, money, and your fridge space. You're probably stocking the wrong peanut butter for emergencies. Let me show you why. The real deal, fresh in the jar, or the dusty little powder that looks like a science lab. Today, we're taste testing powdered peanut butter versus the real peanut butter. Let's go. Both these peanut butters are shelf stable. Both will survive in your pantry, but one can last way longer than the other. And if I'm eating peanut butter during the apocalypse, it better be worth it. First up, regular peanut butter. This stuff needs no intro. We all know her, we all love her. Creamy, thick, delicious, a comfort food. Taste test, yep, still delicious. Still the reason kids survive childhood. It's loaded with protein, calories, and a great energy burst. But once you open it, the clock starts ticking. It won't last forever. Up to 18 months if it's unopened, but once it's been opened, you got about 4 months. Now, the powdered peanut butter. I've got the Augustin Farms powdered peanut butter right here. Its shelf life is anywhere from 5 to 10 years, depending on which ones you get unopened. And this is the peanut butter that went to college. All you gotta do is add water, mix it up. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I work with a lot of powdered products, a lot of shelf-stable products that you have to add water and get the real result. But this peanut butter, oh my gosh, as soon as I added the water, it smells delicious. And the consistency, I mean, that's pretty good. Now, the taste test. Okay, wow, that is really, really delicious. Wow. On sandwiches, this would be so delicious. Wow, this is delicious. So similar to the real thing. It's a little less oily, obviously, in the powdered form. So I think that makes it less calories. 2 tablespoons is 60 calories. 2 tablespoons. Yeah, so it's about a third of the calories because you're missing the oil. And I think that's what it's missing. But overall, the creaminess and the actual flavor is amazing. Nice job, Augustin Farms. This is good. So here's the big difference. Regular peanut butter lasts about 1 to 2 years unopened, sitting on your pantry shelf. Whereas powdered peanut butter can last 5 to 10 years when stored right and sealed in a cool, dark place. That's a huge win when you're stocking your pantry for real life and for emergency. So what's the winner? Honestly, both. Real peanut butter, for now, always delicious. But powdered peanut butter for later. This is not a fight, it's a team sport. This powdered peanut butter is surprisingly delicious. You gotta try it. So if you want meals and pantry hacks that actually make sense, follow me. Want more pantry cheat codes like this? Follow me, like and subscribe, and check out loadedpotato.org for shelf-stable meals, snacks, and lazy cooking hacks that'll save you time, money, and your fridge space. Till next time.